no! Oh my god.
You need the
Oh my
old
God,
version of Geode for 2.206.
Hey,
It doesn't work with the new version.
Fuck Kiara, please.
Only 7 inches.
Yeah, Kiara, can you like
please
not?
adopt me?
Please.
What do you have to do?
You have to get the older version of Geode for it. The new version doesn't work. You have to get the 3, not the 4.
Oh my god, I literally just searched
Only Aqua right now?
I am, but I accidentally extracted.
Wow.
Bro, why is it not working though? Because I'm trying to reinstall it. Some fucking time. This is so fucking dumb.
Extract 2, yes. I don't care where you extract.
Can you screen share Golden? I don't want you to.
I know how to extract a winner file, but yeah. Give me a second.
Oh my god.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know that you could extract the WinRAR file until Kiara told me you could.
Oh.
And I just like, I kept uninstalling WinRAR because I didn't know how to like...
Did you actually fucking?
Yeah, I'm joking.
I need Misfire.
I don't remember this.
It was like,
Why
it was
would
like
you
a week
install
ago
though?
too,
I
I don't
don't
know what the
get
fucking thing.
Confusion!
That was honestly.
Oh, did you
I'm
beat
just-
it?
I'm just-
Oh my
I'm just
god!
happy-
That was way.
Injured! Oh my
Misfire's
god.
Way better than I thought it
Oh,
was.
quick glazing, quick glazing, quick glazing.
Oh my god, wait, I'm telling Gary chat right now.
I'm
You
just
should
happy-
just
I'm
beat Misfire.
I'm just happy that Golden
You
somewhat
should
trusts
just
me.
beat Misfire.
Because I-
Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god, Kiara dropped it.